It seems like AI is everywhere, and one PhD student at NC State is using it to make flood maps more accurate.
Yeah, CBS 17 Storm Team meteorologist Rachel Dunsing explains why she's using this technology and how we could all benefit from it in the future.
By the end of August 2021, Hurricane Ida had devastated the Gulf Coast. But as what was left of the hurricane traveled up the East Coast, significant flooding took over cities in the Northeast, including Rebecca Composto's hometown of Philadelphia.
This is the basis of the flood extent.
The NC State PhD student set out to map the flooding using satellite imagery, but also artificial intelligence.
Machine learning has been shown to be more accurate than just using one water index or one flood index, so it's helpful for accuracy.
Artificial intelligence is only as smart as the data it has, so Composto taught the AI by giving it more specific information. To teach it, she drew more than 150 polygons on the satellite images, each representing a different kind of data, like buildings, and distinguishing the different kinds of water on the map.
I had to look at the imagery before, so I got to see, okay, this polygon here, it's part of a river, it's permanent water, and then the imagery from the day of the flood, okay, these areas really flooded, this is where I should be drawing polygons to identify flooded areas.
The end result, which took nearly 2 years to complete, is the flood extent map. This map also allows Composto to show where flooding happened near critical infrastructure points like gas stations and grocery stores, in addition to major highways and homes. Mapping a past event like this does more than just show us where the worst flooding occurred. It's a helpful tool to plan for the future.
We can look at the different impacts of the floods and ideally help areas both recover and mitigate from future floods.
With this AI, more flood events can be mapped, which is just the start of scientists using this technology and more like it, which will help us all when another flood impacts us.
There's a lot of people working on flooding, a lot of folks coming up with interesting models, so I think together we'll just get faster and more accurate flood maps and ideally can just decrease the risk of floods.
In Raleigh, meteorologist Rachel Dunsing, CBS 17.